Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. To check your battery temperature, go to Play Store and search for Ampere. This is an app which will allow you to view data about your battery. Install this blue app, click on Install. And now you can click on Open. Then click on Consent and OK. And you can see your battery temperature as well as other data. And if you want to change the unit of the temperature, click on the settings in top right corner, then basic settings and click on this option once. And you can see it changes, then go back. And now the temperature is in Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.